Hi guys, my name is Beth and welcome back to Beth Does Beauty. Today is the 14th of December, which means we are opening day number 14 on my Lookfantastic advent calendar. Square boxes always make me think lipstick or like lip gloss. Mellow Cosmetics. Mellow is the company and it is Mellow Matte Liquid Lip Paint. Oh my god, try and say that twice as fast. And it is in the shade Tehran. Oh, okay, so that's like a nude lip. Doesn't smell of anything. Usually when I try liquid lipsticks, they smell of like cupcakes or something. That's very creamy. There we go. That dried really quickly. That's a nice nude shade. I guess it's a very general shade that would suit all skin tones. That is the Mellow Matte Liquid Lip Paint in Tehran. I really love that colour. No complaints from me. Let's have a look at what the little info card says for door number 14. Saturate lips in colour with this ultra smooth liquid lip paint that delivers a velvet matte finish. A long wearing creamy formula, this lip paint lasts all day while avoiding drying out lips. I have to say, even though it's just been on my hand, it really doesn't feel that drying, but there is a little bit of transfer. But it actually feels like silky. Like a silky matte, like a velvet matte, I guess, like it said on there. But I really love that colour. That colour is very elegant and natural. And would go very nicely with door number 1, which was the Morphe palette in those golden like brown shades. That would look gorgeous with this lip colour. That was day number 14. That is a very beautiful shade. I've never heard of Mellow Cosmetics before. Have you? If you have heard of them before, let me know down below what products you recommend and I will definitely look into them. Thank you for watching. Tune back in for day 15 tomorrow. It is the 15th of December already. Time is flying by and I truly hope that you are enjoying my daily advent calendar uploads. Stay tuned because there are so many more to come. Thank you for watching guys. Bye.